everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today will be an extra long video due to the fact that we will be learning about boolean and values, as well as our conditions. The first thing we want to do, make our variables. We want to start with for our variable making. It's a very nice variable. I like to use it a lot of times. It might sound like I'm a bit quiet because it's been a busy day at work and everything at all, so I hope you have a good day. So we're going to make our variable. Let's call it alert rating. Warning rating. Let's assign it a number. Let's do 71. Now, var disaster. Actually, no, we don't want to do that. I don't know, maybe I'll do distance from location equals 19 plus km. So it would be like we learned. It would append. So we'll do distance from location, and it would say 19 kilometers, which is a really nice add-on. Now that we have this, we do our, I don't know what that is, statements. So if, we start with an if, do 2 brackets for our guide, basically. Then we do warning level. Actually, it's warning rating is greater than, like we learned in our equality and inequality videos. Yeah, greater than, let's say 70. But these are 2, so there's 2. So we've got over here end equals end. Not that. We do straight lines equals or. And I'm not quite sure what the other one was. Please let me know. So now that we will do warning level rating is 70 and distance I'll make it distance var because I'm a bit cheeky, so I just copied the whole thing. Hi Spotty. That's just my cat, don't worry. And then we do that. No, we don't want that. I didn't do that. We want just this part. Just this part. Copy. Now we get rid of this. And then distance from location. Do we want it to be, if distance from location is less than, let's say, warning rating point, let's just be honest and say like 1.771. Can you even do this? What? I wonder, can you do this? What am I doing wrong? Maybe let's make a variable. let's call it safe range of location equals warning rating divided by 1.771. Instead of that, we'll do range of location. Now I'm just gonna swap this out. What's wrong? What is that? Maybe we should do it the other way. Still like, what? Okay, I don't know what's wrong here. Maybe I'll just copy. It's still having its issue. I don't know what the wrong thing here. 7, line 7. Oh, I think I know what it means. We need to add that. Yeah. Sorry for all of that. Wait. This is an emergency. Okay, that's our first one. We just want the string, so I will get rid of the fancy symbol. Because everybody loves the fancy symbol, yet we don't need it. Don't forget our little strings. And then, done. Now we're going to do else. Or else if. Let's try else if. We do the first thing for if. We make our conditions. So I'll do warning, rating, is greater than 50. And the distance from location then range location is 51 divided by, I need to know, 71 do range of location equals the range of location. We just want warning rating. Rating divided by 1.771 divided add those brackets. Now we do next range of location. We do that for everyone. Remember, JavaScript is all about maths. Then we do our operator. Do that. Then I'll do console log. Oh, it's because of that. What do you mean warning ratio? I don't know what that is, but I'll just go by it. Now, let's make our next emergency. Okay, this is starting to make me angry. What is warning? Oh! Okay. But now I want to change it to 41. Actually, 61. Be considerate of your surroundings and evacuate when ordered to. Okay, now we do another else if. Do our conditions, warning rating is greater than 30 now. Okay, next one. Then we divide that by next, by warning rating. Rating divided by 50. Actually, I don't think we'll need a next range of location because it's just the same. Yeah, and then Something seems to be wrong. Token. Which line? 1141. I don't see the problem here. I don't see anything. What is wrong? Sorry everyone, but this is taking longer than usual. This is probably gonna need a snack and some drinks. Maybe grab some popcorn while you're at it. Some code bites. I'm just experiencing some difficulties. I don't think... Oh, what do I do? That's not wrong. That's not wrong. That's not wrong. This is not wrong. That's not wrong. What? Sorry, this might be cheating, but I'm gonna look up what's wrong. I gotta go at yellow mode. What do you mean I'm missing a logical operator? Okay, now I'll go back. I don't know what the hell that was. My roof's just creaking. Oh. Now I'll go back. I'll go 31. Actually 19. 11. No, 31. Now what if it's like 1,000? Yeah, it's definitely gonna be like that, because 100,000 is like, I don't know, like 10E maybe? That would be crazy if that was the case. Oh. Okay, works. Like we learned, we can do exponentiation, but we don't need to. So, I'll do this. Another else. If. Oh, gosh. Now we do the 1. Now we do 1, 4, 0. Actually, why are we doing else if? We can just do else. Else. Oh, we don't even have to do much for else. We just have to do else. Then our console. Not long. Is minor disaster. No measurement. No measures shall be reassured. Yeah, so this is our little emergency system. But we can also just make sure it just displays our console log. And I'll say current distance. Oh, I'm gonna create your current distance is distance from location in kilometers. There. And the dollar sign for some clarification, because we always need to add the dollar sign. And then we just want to add a little phrase. Console.log. And then I do that. Can't you do that? Can I just do this? Yeah, we can do that. And that's it. So now we add our messages, because that's what a good YouTuber would do, and I'm a good one. So let's do I just cut this and I paste it over here. I cut this, then I do this. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finally a fifth one. Now we start. Now let's do major details as our first one. Then we do our minor details. Then we'll just display our current location in this message. Then we do emergency broadcast system here. Now we add full stops for clarification, and for the last one it's gonna say the last message. Enjoy this video posting in Fortnite. What? I'm gonna be posting in a fortnight? That's crazy. But it is true. I'll be going away for a fortnight and I'll be posting daily. Posting daily then. Now, make sure to subscribe to me. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you around soon.